Japakusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadvityam Tamorim Sarva Papagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram. Namaskar. My friends, this is continuation of earlier recorded. Subject was Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar, Navagraha Kritis and medical astrology and their impact on the human body. So I am today starting the first discussion starting with Surya. Surya is the most important planet, Graha, of the Rashi chart, that is zodiac chart. Surya rules Simha Rasi. Simha is Leo. Its exalt position is in Aries, that is Uchchas in Mesham. Its deblit condition, it's in Libra, that is Nicham in Tula Rasi. Surya is considered to be very strict, like a father or king. Ravivaram, ruby gem, spicy food, red color, like this, many things are connected to Surya. Human body, according to Ayurveda, has these three doshas: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Surya is by nature is Pitta nature. Surya represents power and authorities. Surya takes 1 month to pass through one Rashi. Thus, it takes 12 months to go through all the 12 Rashis. Kritika Nakshatra, Uttara Falguni Nakshatram, Uttarashada Nakshatram, all comes under Surya's lordship. As we are discussing about the medical aspects and effects of Surya on human body, I don't want to go in detail about Surya's other qualities. The body parts ruled by Surya are heart, head, brain, right eye, circulatory system, mainly the blood circulation, mouth, bones and spleen. Now coming to the diseases which are related to sun are heart problem, eye problem, fever, baldness, that is losing hair on the head, weakness and diseases related to bones, diseases related to brain and head, sunstroke, diseases connected with digestive system, mainly liver and bile connected problems. Skin diseases also are connected to sun. Today's modern science also talks about deficiency of vitamin D, which actually causes lot of problem in human body. And the best natural source for vitamin D is the Surya, that is sun rays. Getting exposed to sun rays, that is also early morning sun rays, works beautifully with our health. It enhances the vitamin D in our body. Many of us also know that the newborn babies who suffer with jaundice when they are born due to various medical conditions, the doctors advise to expose the child to the early morning sun rays, that is orange sun, when it is just rising. Exposing the child to the tender sun rays actually improves their condition. Okay, now we are coming to Dikshitar's Navagraha Kritis. Surya Murti. This is on Surya, the very first Kriti of the Navagraha Kriti group. It is clear that Dikshitar believed that mantras could be powerful when coupled with devotion and faith. There is a saying that Agastya Muni advised Sri Rama, to chant Aditya Hridayam Shlokams before he went ahead of the battle against Ravana. By chanting this shloka, Sri Rama gained strength before heading for the battlefield. According to great musician Dr. S. Ramanathan, in this Kriti Surya Murti, the words Saurashtarnava Mantratmane, he says that this is almost referring to the Gayatri Mantra. By chanting Gayatri Mantra daily, we get energy and develop positivity. Lot of therapeutic value is given to chanting of Gayatri Mantra. Now coming to the ragam on which the Surya Murti Kriti is set to, that is ragam Saurashtram. Dikshitar believed that this ragam boosts the immunity of those rendering it. Saurashtra ragam, according to few Vidwans, is the Janyam of 70th Melakarta ragam Surya Kantam. But according to Muthuswami Dikshita school, this ragam is Janyam of 15th Melakarta ragam Maya Malava Gauda. In fact, the whole important factor in this ragam goes to the credit goes to the Gandharam of this ragam. This Gandharam of Saurashtra ragam is supposed to be one of the powerful Gandharam. That is, it is considered to be, according to 22 Shruti, this Gandharam is known as Chuta Madhyama Gandharam. In 22 Shruti, we have these Vikruti Swaras of 4 types. That is Ekashruti, Dvishruti, Trishruti, and above that is known as the Chuta, whatever is the Swaram above that. Here, Madhyamam is above Gandharam. That's why Saurashtra ragam Gandharam is known as Chuta Madhyama Gandharam. That is almost touching to the Madhyamam. And this powerful vibration, frequency, resonance coming from this Gandhara Prayogam has a very good impact on the Manipura Chakra. Manipura Chakra is where our Nabhi, navel of our body. The Manipura Chakra is supposed to be the most powerful chakra among all of them in our whole body, because it's the center of our body. All the nadis and nerves and many connectivity are there to this chakram and this portion of our body. Shadjam, Saswaram, which vibrates the Mooladharam. Daivatam, very strong Daivatam, again touching the Agya, and combination of Nishadam. All these 3 actually balances the whole body system. Daivatam and Nishadam are natural Vadi Samvadi relationship with Gandhara Swaram. This is a known factor. Gada, Gani, they are in natural Vadi, Samvadi relationship. And this factor helps this ragam to work on the whole body system in a very balanced form. Maybe that is the reason this ragam has been selected by Muthuswami Dikshitar for this Kriti, Surya Murti, as Surya is actually, he has an impact on the whole body. General health, general wellness also depends upon the Surya Graham. So now coming next to the point, I want to introduce the Kalakar who is going to sing Surya Murti. She is Rajni Sridhar from Dubai, Carnatic vocalist who has been performing concerts for over 25 years, traveling to Russia, Turkey, Egypt, UAE, Kuwait and India. She is a Shishya of late Shri Madhari Mangalam Ramachandran and is currently exploring bird music under Guitar Prasanna. Coached by Srimati Rajam Shankar in music therapy, she uses the therapeutic aspects of music to help her students with diverse learning and emotional needs. Before going to Rajni Sridhar, I want to thank Dr. Meenakshi Ravi for giving us this opportunity to present. Thank you very much.
Suryamurte Namostute Sundara Chayadipate Suryamurte Namostute Sundara Chayadipate Suryamurte Namostute Sundara Chayadipate Suryamurte Namostute Sundara Chayadipate Suryamurte Karyakaranaatmaka Jagat Prakasha Sinharasya Adhipate Karyakaranaatmaka Jagat Prakasha Sinharasya Adhipate आर्यविनुत तेजस्फूर्ते आरोग्यादि फलदकीर्ते आर्यविनुत तेजस्फूर्ते आरोग्यादि फलदकीर्ते सूर्यमूर्ते सारसमित्र मित्रभानु सहस्र किरण कर्ण सूनु सारसमित्र मित्रभानु सहस्र किरण कर्ण सूनु क्रूर पाप हर कृष्णु गुरु गुह मोदित स्वभानु क्रूर पाप हर कृष्णु गुरु गुह मोदित स्वभानु सूरिजनेयेडित सुदीन मने सोमादि ग्रहशिखा मणे सूरिजनेयेडित सुदीन मने सोमादि ग्रहशिखा मणे धीरार्चित कर्म साक्षिणे दिव्यतर सप्तश्वरथिने तीरार्चित कर्म साक्षिणे दिव्यतर सप्तश्वरथिने सौराष्ट्रार्ण मन्त्रात्मने सौवर्ण स्वरूपात्मने भारतीश हरिहरात्मने भुक्ति मुक्ति वितरणात्मने सूर्य मूर्ते नमोस्तुते सुन्दर छाया